In today's video, I'll show you how to change Google Drive upload date. If you've ever wanted a file to appear as newly uploaded, you may have noticed that Google Drive doesn't let you directly edit upload dates. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that anyone can use. Google Drive automatically assigns an upload date when a file is added, and that date can't be manually changed. However, by re-uploading the file, you can make it appear as if it was just added to your drive. Let's go through the steps. First, open Google Drive and locate the file you want to change the upload date for. Right-click on the file and choose Download. This saves a copy of the file to your computer while keeping all the content exactly the same. Make sure you remember where the file is saved on your device, such as your Downloads folder or desktop. Next, decide what you want to do with the original file in Google Drive. You can delete it to avoid confusion or move it to another folder if you want to keep it as a backup. This step is optional, but it helps keep things organized. Now, go back to your Google Drive home screen. Click the New button in the top left corner and select File Upload. Find the file you downloaded and select it. Once the upload finishes, Google Drive will treat this file as a brand new upload. That means it will show the current date as the upload date even though the content hasn't changed. This method is useful when you want certain files to appear more recent, organize projects by date, or bring attention to important documents. Keep in mind, this doesn't change the file itself, only how it appears in Google Drive based on the upload date. And that's how you change Google Drive upload date. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.